This is the tool that I wish I had when I first started selling on Amazon back in 2021 as a newbie because I had a full-time job and I simply didn't have the time to sit on the computer to find profitable products, let alone, figure out what to sell. This is exactly why Arbitrage Cyclops exists because it helps you save time and find profitable products fast. It's basically an instant access, beginner-friendly software that allows you to find profitable products starting today. So let me show you how easy it is to get started. As I mentioned, it is super beginner-friendly, and that's how it's designed. So this is the dashboard of Arbitrage Cyclops, and immediately you find tons of products. And to be specific, there are total right here 280,394 products as we speak. So it scans millions of items every single second of the day from different marketplaces of Amazon. And that is the beautiful thing, because if you scan this, 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later, you're gonna have a completely set of brand new profitable products and different sets of items at the same time. So as you can see right here, this product is a beauty product. Its total buy cost is $40.60. You can see the Amazon fees right here, which is calculated already for you. And you can see the profit and the profit margin as well, right? And you can see the other product right here, the same thing, total buy cost, Amazon fees, and the profit. And what's cool about this is on the left side here, these are all the different filters that allows you to customize it to exactly how you want to find your products, and basically answers of what do you sell, right? This is exactly what you've been waiting for. So on the left side here, these are the different filters available, and super easy because they have a drop down menu. So you can see right here, we have categories. You press this button here, and it shows you all the different categories, preferred picks, buy from, sell to, and different range filters, right? Which we're gonna go over here in a little bit. I just wanna show you how it can be used immediately. So for example, if you live in the US, you're gonna wanna sell in the US marketplace and purchase from Amazon Canada, right? And the reason the arbitrage exists, because for example, in US, there's naturally tons of competition there. And as a result, some sellers might wanna lower their price to get sales, right? However, that same product in Amazon Canada may not have as many sellers or competition, thus their price stays up, right? Or vice versa. So that's why this arbitrage exists, and this is why Arbitrage Cyclops takes advantage of it for you and does everything on your behalf. And all you can do is pretty much pick a product that you would want to sell, right? So once you have all these settings right here, you can even go to the range filter. You can even select how many units it sells per month, right? Like, this is so powerful, because if you just want to sell products that sells a lot already, well, now you can, right? So for example, let's just say products that sells 50 units a month. Let's go ahead and do that, and this page is going to refresh here. So we had put the filter of 50 unit sales per month, and just sorted by highest unit sales. So you can see this product number one right here is a Tide product that's selling over 3,000 units a month. And as you guys scroll down, it's just gonna show you more products that sells 1,000 a month, 1,000 a month. So the opportunity is out there, and this is why it's super simple for anyone to get started, and kind of pretty much gives it to you, and you just choose which one you would like to purchase. And the best part is that all the deals you see in Arbitrage Cyclops are either you are already ungated or approved to sell, or you can use the Amazon invoice to get the approval without any issues. So what you're gonna wanna do next is to purchase the product, right? And you can either send it to your house or to the prep center. But if you wanna go through the prep center route, it's the most hassle-free, because they do everything in your behalf. They do the picking, the shipping, the packing, and they send all your products to Amazon's warehouse for you. So now you can actually start your own Amazon FBA business without much experience, thanks to Arbitrage Cyclops. You can buy 10, 20, 30, 50 units, and that's your first arbitrage deal for your business. And from there, starting small, you can eventually scale. You buy more products, and people are actually turning this into a 30,000, 50,000 a month business. So make sure you sign up, and you will get a 7-day free trial with all the features available.